been trying to reach out to you all day. Are we on for tonight? Gosh.
Oh, no, Yoshi, no, not the red shell. Pause. Ah, shoot. Carla's been texting me all day. Sorry, girl. Missed your text. I assume you meet at the movies. Whatever, man. I don't care. Send.
Ding. Sorry, girl. Missed your texts. I assumed we'd meet at the movies. Whatever, man, I don't care. Whatever, man, I don't care? What's her problem? Do you even want to hang out?
Do you even want to hang out? That's considerate. Like I said, whatever. Send.
Like I said, whatever. Are you kidding? You are priceless. Wow.
You are priceless. Wow. So sweet. No, you're the one who's priceless. Ding.
You're the one who's priceless? Okay. Wow, I see. You wanna go right now?
Ding. You want to go right now? I guess I don't have anything. Send. Ding.
Okay, let's go! She said okay, let's go! Who does she think she is? Do we really want to do this right now?
Ding. Do you really want to do this now? Carla. Always so considerate. I'm so ready for a show. I got popcorn.
I'm so ready for... No! There's gonna be a show!
One shoot. Two shoot.
You!
Daddy! Wait, look. I got popcorn. What you got there?
I bought you a bat! It's a gift!
For me?
Yeah.
For my softball tournament?